Yes, sir. I just wanted to tell you thank you, and I will become a VIP member as soon as I collect enough balls to stop buying one contract at a time.
I appreciate you.
I love you. I appreciate you.
Love you too,
I'm
man.
so blessed to be a part of this team. Thank you so very much, Coach.
You're very welcome. I appreciate you too. Great job, Jake. I love having you here. By the way, Jake,
Yes, sir.
I knew Loa Day.
My hands are so sweaty. I've got
I
it
love it.
is 730%.
Oh my gosh. Who's got the highest percent? If you don't have more than 700, I don't need to hear it. Anybody over 700%?
Coach, I had 924%.
924. You had or you still do?
I'm out of it.
Can anybody beat that?
I'm coming for it, Coach.
Anybody
A
else?
1,000%.
1,000%. Who's got 1,000%?
I got 1,900%, but I bought way out of the money.
1,900%.
Yeah, he got
I
me.
bought two out of the money, so that changes the percentage. I think it makes it larger than
For
someone
sure.
who-
Did you say deep in or out?
I'm sorry, deep out of the money.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
1,900%.
And that's how you get those giant gains like that.
It is too. You pay a way less premium, but if it goes in your favor, it's crazy.
I mean, 1,900%.
1,900. That's 19 times the amount you put into it. So if that was $10,000, you made 19 times that. Nice job.